Hello viewers, this is Chandita and this is the part 2 video of how to use regular expressions in Tableau. This one is going to be a slightly difficult example, so we will do it step by step. As for the data, I have several URLs of news articles, and what we intend to do is to extract the media house names from these URLs. I do have the names in the source name field if I can pull it to rows and show you. But for this example, and just to show how regular expressions work, we will pretend that I don't have this particular field and we have to take the effort of extracting it from the URLs only. So let's try to look at the URLs first and see what is the pattern here before going and jumping to the regular expression. So if you see, I have this for ESPN, I have this http://espn dot blah blah blah, and here for Business Insider I have this www dot as well, which I did not have for ESPN, and some have HTTPS while some have HTTP. Here for Reuters I have uk.reuters. So we have, quite a variety of URLs from where we need to extract just what we want, that is the media house name. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it effectively. So I'll create a new calculated field and I will name it maybe the media name. Doesn't matter, but this name I hope is fine. So now I will do, so let me first select regular expression underscore extract, because I promise that we are going to do it step by step and see what it is giving us. And it needs a string and a pattern. So for the string I will give this URL, and for the pattern, let's start with the pattern. We have to give the pattern within single quotes. And if you see, the first part of the URL is either HTTP, or I can see it is HTTPS followed by : //. So for this, what pattern I can give is a \w. W stands for word, any word, and a plus, which stands for one or more words. So it takes care of this portion, HTTP or HTTPS, it doesn't matter, which I'll give followed by a : and 2 //. So it kind of takes care of this HTTP : / or HTTPS : //. Okay, great. Now what I'm going to do is, so suppose I definitely do not want the www as well. So if I just type www dot and now open a bracket, so whatever we want to extract has to be within this round brackets. So that's how Tableau understands that this is the part which you want to extract. Here this is also going to be a string of characters, so we can represent it as /w plus, which means a string of characters, one or more. We close this part, we close the pattern with single quotes, and let's see what it gives us. So when I hit apply, I'm intending to extract just this part. So let me drag the media house name in the rows here. So if you see, it does give me the Business Insider here, but if I have to scroll up, it gives me everything which is a www attached to it, but for, if you see, for ESPN it gives me a null, and so for everyone where there's no www. So to get past it, what we need to do is we need to have a group created, and for that we need to have a group created with enclosed round brackets. So I have enclosed this with round brackets, and what I'm saying, and after enclosing it with round brackets, I'll put a question mark. What this question mark stands for is the www dot, either this string of characters either could be present or not present. So question mark stands for either this particular pattern which is enclosed in this entire brackets could be present or not present. Okay, so let's, once we have applied it, let's kind of apply and see what it gives. You see, nothing happened, and here also, other than the news week, it is giving me www dot. So regular expression underscore extract, what it does, it kind of takes the first occurrence of whatever is within the enclosed brackets, which is not what I want. I wanted this second part. So for that, what we need to do is we need to use the other function, which is the nth. And here what I need to do is I need to pass it the index, and the index is going to be 2. So by 2 I mean it's going to pass me whatever pattern is enclosed within the second enclosed this round brackets. It's going to ignore this first one and it's going to take the second one. If I put third, if I had a third set of enclosed brackets, it would have taken that. So now if I hit apply, if you see, it's taking news week. It's ignoring the www dot, and also if I move above, if you see, it has now taken ESPN, because what this means is either www dot could be present or it could be absent. So that way I'm ensuring that here when there is no www dot present, it's capturing that pattern as well. So nice. Let's now move forward and see what is up there. So if you see, for this Reuters, we have this feeds.Reuters. Now how do we get over that? So for that, what we need to do is we need to have an OR function. So the way it works is either it could be www dot or it could be feeds, and to represent this OR is we have this pipeline which represents OR, and after this pipeline we need to type feeds dot. And if I now hit apply, if you see, it has turned to Reuters. Let's move ahead and see if we have captured everything well. So if you see, we have this addition, in, etc. But the process here from here will remain the same, where what we need to do is, we need to put a pipeline and we need to put addition dot. So it's going to search for this entire string addition dot, either it could be present in entirety or it could be absent as well. So if it's present, it's going to look for the second part, which is, so if I just hit apply, it's now going to give me CNN. Or if it's absent, so if you see ESPN, it is going untouched, because what I'm saying with this question mark is either this particular string www dot or feeds dot or addition dot could be present in its entirety in the first section, or it could be absent also. So match both the patterns. So if you see, it is matching almost everything, and I see some UK and IN as well, so I'm going to match that as well. So I guess I'll just enter it in a new line, that will be easier to see as well. So what I need to do now is I just need to put pipelines and type this words IN or UK, and once I do that, if you see, I have extracted the media house names. I'll just move forward and see if I have missed anything. So I have CNN nicely captured. I have Irish Times, New York Times, Reuters, WSJ. So I'm hoping I have captured everything with this pattern, but I'll still go and check. So if you see, certain patterns are left like this markets, and but then what we need to do is we definitely need to go and ensure and analyze these URLs a bit. And once you do that, you should be good. So I need to put some more words here to ensure that I'm capturing the media house names correctly. Okay, this is not time machines, it is time machine. Okay, great. I think I can go on and on with this and kind of capture the other ones also which are left out. Like there's an AF here, there's a blogs here, so let me put these as well. Need to put the pipelines in between. Blogs dot and hit on apply. So if you see, everything is getting captured slowly. So this is what I wanted to show. This is one example of a pattern matching and extracting the data in Tableau. Please note that in this video I do not intend to teach regular expressions. There are multiple sources for it, but I wanted to show how it essentially works in Tableau. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.